Aging is inevitable, but what if you could slow down its visible effects and keep your spark alive? Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a radiant, youthful glow, even as the years pass by. Many of us feel the gradual loss of energy, the onset of wrinkles, and the sagging of skin that seems to signal that our best days are behind us. But what if the secret to staying vibrant, strong, and full of life isn't found in expensive creams or invasive procedures? What if it's right there in the fruits you eat every day? Research published in renowned journals such as the Journal of Nutrition and the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has revealed that certain fruits can boost collagen production, fight off oxidative stress, and repair the damage caused by inflammation, all of which are key to defying the aging process. Today, we're diving into the 7 most powerful anti-aging fruits that not only nourish your skin, but also energize your body and sharpen your mind. These natural wonders work from the inside out, helping to slow down the visible signs of aging and keep you feeling young at heart. This isn't just about looking younger, it's about feeling vibrant, confident, and empowered, no matter your age. So, if you're ready to reclaim your vitality and embrace every moment with renewed strength, join me on this journey. And if you find these insights helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to join a community that believes in aging gracefully and living life to the fullest. Let's begin our exploration into nature's secret weapons against time. Number 1. Blueberries. The tiny but mighty anti-aging hero. Blueberries may be small, but they pack an extraordinary amount of anti-aging power. Bursting with anthocyanins, the antioxidants responsible for their deep blue hue, blueberries help neutralize free radicals, those unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress and break down collagen in your skin. Studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition have demonstrated that regular consumption of anthocyanin-rich foods can improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines by up to 15%. In addition to protecting collagen, blueberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for stimulating collagen production and maintaining a firm, radiant complexion. Their high fiber content also supports a healthy gut, which research increasingly links to clearer, more youthful skin. Whether added to your morning oatmeal, blended into a smoothie, or enjoyed fresh as a snack, incorporating blueberries into your daily routine offers a delicious way to safeguard your skin and support overall vitality. Number 2. Pomegranates, the ancient fountain of youth. Pomegranates have long been celebrated as symbols of life and longevity, and modern science validates their anti-aging benefits. This ruby-red fruit is bursting with polyphenols, particularly punicalagins and anthocyanins, that provide powerful antioxidant protection. Studies in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry reveal that pomegranate juice can reduce arterial plaque buildup by as much as 30%, thereby supporting cardiovascular health, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Moreover, pomegranates stimulate collagen production, helping to maintain firm, youthful skin and reducing sagging. Their anti-inflammatory properties also help calm irritated skin, reducing redness and puffiness. Whether you enjoy the fresh seeds, blend them into a juice, or sprinkle them on salads and yogurt, pomegranates offer a potent, natural defense against the visible signs of aging while promoting overall health. Number 3. Avocados. Nature's moisturizer for youthful skin, avocados are not just trendy, they're a true superfood when it comes to anti-aging. Unlike most fruits, avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which are essential for keeping your skin deeply hydrated and supple. Research in the Journal of Lipid Research shows that these healthy fats help improve the skin's barrier function, reducing water loss and minimizing wrinkles. Avocados are also rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from oxidative damage and helps maintain its youthful elasticity. Additionally, they contain vitamin C, which supports collagen synthesis, and potassium, which helps regulate hydration and reduce inflammation. The unique combination of these nutrients means that adding avocados to your diet, whether mashed on toast, sliced into salads, or blended into smoothies, can help preserve your skin's natural glow, keep your complexion radiant, and promote overall vitality. Number 4. Papayas, the tropical skin healer. Papayas, with their vibrant tropical flavor, are more than just a sweet treat. They're a natural skin healer. At the heart of papaya's magic is the enzyme papain, which acts as a gentle exfoliant to break down dead skin cells and promote new cell growth. Research in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science has shown that papaya extract can improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and age spots by enhancing natural exfoliation. Papayas are also rich in vitamin C, which plays a critical role in collagen production, helping to maintain firm, youthful skin. Additionally, papayas provide beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which protects the skin from harmful UV rays and accelerates the repair of damaged tissues. Whether enjoyed fresh, blended into a smoothie, or even used topically as a natural face mask, papayas offer an effective and delicious way to rejuvenate your skin and support healthy aging. Number 5. Apples, the everyday superfruit. Often celebrated for their simplicity, apples are a true powerhouse when it comes to anti-aging benefits. Loaded with flavonoids like quercetin, apples protect your skin from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major factors in the aging process. Studies in nutrition research suggest that quercetin can enhance skin firmness and reduce the appearance of wrinkles by preventing collagen degradation. Apples are also rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps detoxify your body and maintain a healthy gut, a key contributor to clear, glowing skin. Additionally, the vitamin C in apples further supports collagen synthesis, contributing to a smoother, more youthful complexion. Enjoy apples raw with the skin on to maximize fiber intake. Slice them into salads for extra crunch, or bake them with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a warm, comforting dessert. This everyday superfruit not only nourishes your skin, but also supports overall well-being from the inside out. Number 6. Grapes. The wrinkle fighter grapes, particularly the red and purple varieties, are renowned for their anti-aging properties, thanks in large part to the powerful antioxidant resveratrol found in their skins. Resveratrol acts as an internal repair agent, protecting collagen fibers and preventing the formation of wrinkles. Research published in the Journal of Gerontology indicates that regular consumption of resveratrol can help maintain skin elasticity and reduce the visible signs of aging by up to 15%. Grapes also provide vitamin C, which supports collagen production and aids in skin repair, while their high water content helps keep your skin hydrated and plump. With additional anti-inflammatory properties, grapes work to calm irritation and promote a more even skin tone. Whether enjoyed fresh, frozen as a cool treat, or incorporated into salads, grapes offer a delicious and effective way to slow down the aging process and maintain a youthful glow. Number 7. Kiwi, the small fruit with big anti-aging benefits. Don't let its size fool you. Kiwi is a nutritional powerhouse that can transform your anti-aging routine. Boasting an exceptionally high concentration of vitamin C, often surpassing that of oranges, kiwi plays a critical role in collagen production, which is essential for firm, elastic skin. Research in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that higher vitamin C intake is directly linked to improvements in skin elasticity and a reduction in wrinkles. Kiwi also contains vitamin E, another potent antioxidant that protects your skin from free radical damage, and fiber that supports healthy digestion, ensuring toxins are flushed from your body. Additionally, kiwi is rich in potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance and reduces puffiness, while its natural enzymes aid in the smooth digestion of proteins. Enjoy kiwi fresh by scooping out the flesh, adding it whole to a smoothie for an extra fiber boost, or mixing it into a vibrant fruit salad. This small fruit packs a big punch, helping you maintain a youthful, radiant complexion from the inside out. Bringing it all together. How to maximize your anti-aging fruit intake. Now that we've explored the unique benefits of each of these 7 anti-aging fruits, it's important to understand how to incorporate them into your daily routine for maximum effect. Here are a few science-backed tips. Rotate for variety. Each fruit offers its own distinct set of vitamins, antioxidants, and nutrients. Rotate these fruits throughout your week to ensure you receive a full spectrum of anti-aging benefits. Pair for synergy. For enhanced nutrient absorption, pair these fruits with a source of protein or healthy fats. For instance, combine kiwi with a small handful of nuts, or add avocado slices to your apple salad. This helps stabilize blood sugar and boosts the bioavailability of fat-soluble vitamins. Opt for fresh. Fresh fruits maintain higher levels of vitamins and antioxidants. Whenever possible, enjoy these fruits raw or lightly prepared to preserve their potent anti-aging properties. Mind your portions. While these fruits are nutrient-rich, moderation is key, especially for those managing blood sugar levels. Stick to recommended serving sizes to avoid unwanted spikes while still enjoying their benefits. Consistency is key. Incorporate these fruits into your meals and snacks daily. Whether it's a vibrant fruit salad at breakfast, a smoothie in the afternoon, or a handful of grapes as an evening snack, consistent consumption will build up their protective effects over time. By adopting these simple strategies, you're not only boosting your skin's collagen and fighting oxidative stress, but you're also enhancing overall energy, mental clarity, and vitality. In summary, aging gracefully is not just a matter of genetics. It's influenced by the choices we make every day. Today, we've uncovered 7 incredible anti-aging fruits: blueberries, pomegranates, avocados, papayas, apples, grapes, and kiwi. Supported by scientific research from esteemed journals, these fruits work synergistically to protect your cells from oxidative damage, boost collagen production, and maintain hydration, all of which contribute to a youthful, radiant appearance and robust overall health. Remember, these fruits are not just about improving your skin. They're about enhancing your energy, supporting your immune system, and keeping your mind sharp. Embracing a balanced diet that includes these natural, nutrient-packed foods can help slow the aging process from the inside out, allowing you to feel as vibrant and youthful as you look. Start by incorporating a couple of these fruits into your daily routine and gradually rotate them to enjoy a full spectrum of benefits. I encourage you to take action today. Experiment with new recipes, try different combinations, and see how these natural anti-aging wonders transform your health and vitality. Please share your experiences in the comments below. Your journey can inspire others to embrace healthy aging. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family. Together, we can build a future where aging is a journey of strength, beauty, and endless possibility. Here's to feeling youthful from the inside out. Thank you for watching, and enjoy every vibrant day ahead.